Hi guys, welcome to Tactile channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'll be showing you how you can make a gaming logo in Canva. So let's go to the browser first. Right here Canva, search it to Google. Okay, error, Canva. Okay, after going to Canva you have to log in with the password and email. So I have already logged in. So after logging in, you will find a search bar here. Click on the search bar and write gaming logo, then press enter from your keyboard. After clicking on enter, you will find many gaming logo templates you can see here, which is totally free for you. Okay guys, so you can choose any gaming logo which is relevant to your game, or which is relevant to your game sense. So let's pick one. Like I have a ninja game. Okay, I have a ninja game, so I'm choosing this one, ninja. And you can customize this template by clicking on customize this template. Then if you want to customize this one, you can see every portion you can customize, like this gaming ninja, this person, or the background color, everything you can customize. So I'm going to show you how. If you want to change this person, if you want to add your pictures from your computer, I'm going to show you how. Just click on this and click backspace from your keyboard, it will be removed. And now if you want to add someone here, go to uploads, upload a file from your computer which is you have already chosen, and then upload it. It will be here like this. Then choose one and it will be like this. You can resize it and you can make this thing, but these shapes doesn't look good. I'm going to show you how you can make a good shape. Go to elements, right here frame, press enter. You will find many frames. Just choose one frame. And you can use your frame here. Sorry, not this. Okay, now I'm going to show you how you can adjust your picture in the frame. Go to uploads, upload a picture, it will be here, and you have to make it like this. It will be automatically adjusted. Okay, this doesn't like good. So if you want to make it remain like before, go undo, 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 and it will be like others, like this. Now if you don't have any pictures in your computer, if you want to make a custom picture, you can still delete it and go to elements and right here any pictures you want to search for, like ninja. Press enter and it will find many ninja here. Here's the picture and here's the icon. You can choose anything. I'm choosing this one. Okay, this is adjusted good. So if you want to change this ninja, write anything, like double click and click backspace, it will be removed, and write ninjutsu. If you want to change this color, ninjutsu color, double click on this and go to color and pick any color you want. It will be automatically changed like this. See, but still glowing. If you want to make it change gaming to game or anything, double click and you can write here. If you want to make it glow to, go to text and you will find many color, like here this glow. Make it small, you can adjust it here. Double click, click backspace, it will be removed, and you can write here anything and it will be like this. Okay guys, so you still can change the background color. I'm going to show you how. Click on this and go to this one, background color, and you will find many background colors. Just choose one and it will be changed like this. Okay, but the previous one is good, I think, so I'm gonna undo it. This one is good, fitted, well fitted. Okay, so after completing your work, how you can download it? Go to share, you can see here download, click on download, it will be downloaded in your system. Or if you want to share with someone, go to here and write the email address you want to share with and click send from here. After clicking send, this work will be sent to that email address. So guys, this is how basically you can start customizing or make a gaming logo in Canva. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.